plants that little turd. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is April 1st. It's April Fool's Day. It's 8:30 in the morning, and it's actually hot. It's actually really hot. I'm burning up. It's gonna be a high of 83, but right now it's 63 degrees. So I am about to show you guys something. All right, so I'm getting ready to post like on my community tab. I am trying to figure out what the heck is all this white stuff growing. Is that from the vermiculite, or is that something different? Because it's all the way around the perimeter of my smaller raised bed. I don't know what's going on. I was just about to, well, like, I don't understand what that is. Like, ugh. I was about to put some cinnamon on it, but I'm gonna wait until you guys respond on my community tab. Or I ask a lot of immediate questions on my community tab. Or not immediate questions. I ask a lot of questions on my community tab so I could get like an immediate response versus waiting to post. So yeah, what the heck is this? Ugh, yuck. All right, I don't know if you guys already responded in my community tab or what, to let me know what that is, because ew. Anyways, let me show you guys. I think I'm about to just pull up my lettuce, because at this point I'm giving up on that lettuce, and then in the fall I'm gonna just grow it from seed, because right about now it is looking. All right, so this is what that lettuce is looking like. Very disgusting. Yeah. And I had put cinnamon around it, and at this point, y'all, I'm giving up on this lettuce. This one is actually doing nothing. It's not even growing. This lettuce, again, it's yellow. The leaves are yellow. Yeah, I'm about to give up. Yeah, I say this in basically every video, but at this point, and I had someone, well, a lot of people said, hey, you got a lot of clusters in one thing. I tried to plant this by itself and that died. So yeah, anyways, let's go over to something more happier. My radishes are doing good. Can't wait to pull these up and try one if something happens with them. But yeah, potatoes are fine still. What is that? We don't need none of that. I'm about to cut that off. I don't know what it is. Focus. I don't know what that is, but it's about to come off, because we don't need nothing. We don't need nothing on this. What you doing? What are you doing? You need to y'all need to get out of here. But whatever this is right here, little furry looking thing, you got to go. You got to go. I've already opened up my greenhouse, but I messed some stuff up when I was trying to get these out. So I'm about to fix everything. Then I need to go finish getting ready for work, because I do start at 9 a.m. And then I'll be back out, hopefully after work, or maybe on my lunch break. It all depends on how hungry I am. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and realized my camera was so close. I'm about to go ahead and straighten up my greenhouse and then go in the house, because it's very nice out. I put this on just in case, but it's actually nice out. So I'm gonna take this off and straighten up over there. wanted to show you guys that one of my basils germinated. All right, come through. Look at me. I knew something was gonna make me excited. Then I'm like, all right, I'm gonna continue to go. But that raised bed is looking kind of, but that's the only herb that's germinated so far, which is okay. Bell peppers still looking good back there. And then cucumbers, I still haven't upplanted. I will eventually. Yeah, I'm gonna try my best. What is all this? What is that slime? You know what? These little ugly bugs. Ugh, what is that? Wait until I find the culprit. There was like a snail that was just right on the ground and I flicked it away. I didn't know that little nasty thing was already up here. Ugh, disgusting. Look at that. So disgusting. So disgusting. So, what did it do to my plants? I'm making sure, like, ugh, it's a spider or something back there. You see it? Ugh. I can't, y'all. I just, ugh. And I'm right back to being, no, I can't do this. It's probably because the snow was out on here, because I did have it in the grass yesterday, in the sun way out there. So something more than likely got to it. Those little jerks. Ugh, I'm gonna most definitely have to put gloves on for that. Ugh, look at this, slime is everywhere. Why did it ate one of my plants, that little turd. I was trying to figure out what it did, and this is what it did. That little turd. All right, so now how do I keep snails away? How do I keep my snails away? Or the snails away, they're not mine, I don't like them. Something's happening with this one. If I have to start these peppers over, I'm gonna be so sad. That little jerk ate like a whole plant, little greedy gut. What the heck? Did it eat anything in here? I'm sad now. That little jerk. Did it eat? Oh no, okay. I guess it like cucumber plants. If I hadn't flung it, I flung it already. And I don't know where it landed, but I would have showed y'all what it looked like. Maybe it was not a snail, maybe it was a slug. It could have been a slug. I'm gonna have to find a picture, and if I remember, I'll leave a picture up above. Maybe was it a snail or a slug? I don't know, but unless it left. Oh, we had little baby birdies right there, and I didn't even know. Yeah, no, I got ADD. But anyways, if it left, I mean, I don't know what I was talking about, but I'll leave a picture up above of what it looked like. Let me show you guys where the real birds, and I never even knew. Now, what type of birds were in there, I don't know. What it looked like they already hatched. Aww. My camera won't focus. Oh yeah, or maybe not. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe there's like eggshell down there. Maybe there weren't any birds in there. I don't know what's going on.